Hello everyone! This will be our 23rd video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hello. Do you know what my biggest headache is? Tasks are assigned, deadlines are set, but no one follows through. And when I ask, each department has its own version of why the goal wasn't met. There's a lack of coordination. There's a need for someone to keep things in order without me having to be on top of it all the time. I feel like I'm the only one looking at the big picture.
And if that someone already exists within the system and doesn't need to sleep, they're called a project coordinator, a subagent responsible for coordinating all tasks, teams, and deadlines so that each improvement is executed in an orderly and timely manner.
And how does it do it? What makes it different from a traditional task manager? Because I have many tools, but there's still chaos.
This subagent not only organizes, anticipates, prioritizes, and acts. They have a complete view of the plan, know the available resources, identify dependencies between tasks, understand the interactions between areas, and ensure that each team knows exactly what to do, when to do it, and with whom to coordinate. They also learn from the past. If something has failed before, they take it into account to prevent it from happening again.
And what happens if a task is delayed? Because that happens all the time. There are always unforeseen events.
The coordinator detects this immediately and issues alerts. But it doesn't stop there. It adjusts the schedule if necessary. It redistributes workload if it detects availability among other teams or individuals. It reorders activities to minimize the impact on the rest of the plan. And in critical cases, it suggests specific actions to resolve blockages.
And all this without me having to monitor it.
Exactly. You define the objective, and the project coordinator ensures it's met on time. Plus, they keep you informed with automatic summaries. They send you daily, weekly, or customized reports with clear, visual information about what's in progress, what's been completed, what's delayed, why, and what actions have been taken.
That already relieves me a lot. But tell me, does it work with my current tools?
Yes, it integrates with the management platforms you already use. Notion, Trello, Asana, Jira, Monday, even Excel if necessary. Each task is automatically assigned, and those responsible receive their activities with deadlines, detailed instructions, checklists, attached documentation, and links to resources. It can even send reminders via email, Slack, or Teams, depending on the tool you use internally.
That interests me a lot. Because often people fail not because of ill will, but because no one made sure everything was properly connected and that each step was clear.
And that's exactly what this subagent solves. It connects people, processes, and deadlines in a single workflow. It prevents information from getting lost in emails, calls, or scattered meetings. And above all, it ensures that everyone works as a single team, not as separate departments with their own agendas.
And can you coordinate multiple projects at once? Because we're working on 5 things at the same time, and each one seems like a world of its own.
Yes. Manage multiple work streams simultaneously. Organize projects with different priorities, cross-dependencies, and shared teams. And if it detects a shared bottleneck, it resolves it before it affects the entire system. It even alerts you if a resource is overloaded or if a team is idle due to lack of instructions.
And does it also help me align objectives across departments? Because sometimes marketing goes one way, operations another.
Not directly, but it works in conjunction with the system's subagent, which we'll discuss in the next video, the Goal Alignment AI. This AI is responsible for ensuring that every action, every task, and every decision is aligned with the overall strategic objectives. The coordinator executes, while the alignment AI guides the course.
It's incredible that an agent can do that. Because the hardest part isn't executing, it's getting everyone on the same page. And if there's someone who can help me achieve that, I want to meet them right away. I'd like to speak with someone first to clarify a few specific questions I have about specific processes for my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
If you have any questions or suggestions, Just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarata on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people and companies.